Wave hello. This is our lovely honeymoon villa and our street. She'll take you in now.
Like coming to our home. Our temporary home. On our last day.
Oh, cut your head off there.
Oh, don't do that. This is our
Go.
porch.
Oh,
It's not very
well done, Dan.
Yeah.
This is our porch. Very nice. Hi.
Hi. The east wing.
This is the east wing. East wing bathroom. I like this picture. Toilet. Me, hi!
Hi. But nice to have 4
Mr.
bathrooms
Webster.
to choose which one to have poos in. Making exciting times.
This is the first spare bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe, which I have enjoyed. The little telly. Another walk-in wardrobe. Very handy. And then we have a towel cupboard. The west wing with a little living room. And a small telly for a midget. And then another wardrobe thing. And another bathroom. Where's my tour guide?
Hello.
It's Mr. Webster.
Hi. And that's Mrs. Webster. You're the tour guide. You're doing a good job, Mrs. Webster. You missed a bit of floor there, though.
Our big telly. We watched our American TV
Real
on.
Housewives, 9 to 5.
And through to the kitchen. With a massive cooker and a massive fridge. With the mint chocolate ice cream that we didn't eat all of.
Not much left in there. Some bezzers.
Some massive things of milk and Pepsi and orange.
All the cake has been eaten. All gone.
Gorgeous.
Look in here. This
Oh,
is a
yeah.
utility.
Look at all that. Shame we didn't actually use any of it because we ate out every night because we're fat little buggers.
Yes.
Dishwasher, sink, lovely jubbly. Then this is our dining room table, which is very nice. Then we have washing area, washing machine.
Bit longer, where the
And we have the garage. The garage. Many playthings. And we have the other bathroom in here. Lovely, very similar to the other ones. Shower, toilet, sink, lovely. And outside to the pool area.
And Martin.
And Martin.
Martin.
Martin. Sun lounges. Jacuzzi, which had excessive usage.
Hell yeah.
Because the swimming pool's too bloody cold. Wave, Dan. I've got you and Martin in view. And a little seating area where we had morning coffees. Now the bedroom.
Oh, le boudoir.
La boudoir.
Going to this game was
Big
absolutely
bed.
the right thing to do.
It's all a mess now because we're packing to go
I got to see
home.
the fans.
Give us a flash again. Dan's big fat belly full of burgers. This is our ensuite. Big shower, jacuzzi bath, which we never used. And toilet. And airing cupboard thing.
It was a difficult situation for me, but I wasn't afraid to hit it.
And walk-in wardrobe, which I want one of these at home.
That's how I do things. I'm glad.
Wave goodbye, Mrs. Webster, till we next come to Florida. We had a wonderful honeymoon, but we will return till next time. Bye.